Can you identify the heaviest living bird species on Earth? They are tall birds with long legs, long necks, small heads, and large bodies. Males have black feathers with white-capped wings and tails. Females have uniformly brown feathers. Their feathers are light and lacy. Common ostrich. It is a giant flightless bird with ample bare legs, long bare neck, and head. Loose plumage is solidly black in the male, separated from the bright white tail and small wings. Somali ostrich. It is a large, flightless bird most closely related to the emu. Although the emu is taller, it is the heaviest bird in Australia and the second heaviest in the world after its cousin, the ostrich. Cassowary. It is stout-bodied and long-legged, like its relative the cassowary. Both sexes are brownish, with a dark gray head and neck. It can dash away at nearly 50 kilometers, 30 miles per hour. Emu. They are the largest seabirds in the Antarctic, standing 101 to 132 centimeters tall. They have wingspans ranging from 76 to 89 centimeters. With black and white bodies and stiff black wings. Emperor penguins. It has a long neck and long legs. Head, neck and thighs are covered with feathers, but the bird has no tail feathers. Its plumage is mostly gray and brown with white underparts. The Rhea. It is a large ground-dwelling bird that is 36 to 44 inches in length. It has a large, fan-shaped tail, long, stocky pink or gray legs, short, rounded wings, a bare head and neck and a small, down-curving bill. Turkey. It is a large flightless bird, but the smaller of the two extant species of Rheas. It is about 3 feet in height, weighs between 33 and 55 pounds, and is found in the Altiplano in Patagonia in South America. The lesser Rhea.